Question 6 is this kind of obscure looking code that I plus n minus j mod 2. So why is I plus n minus j mod 2 used to pick the color of the square? Let's just take a look and see how that works. And that code is right here. So we're saying if I plus n minus j mod 2 equals 0, then we're going to set the color equal to yellow, otherwise we're going to set it to black. So let's take a look at, again, let's take a look at our first column where we have I equal to 0, and we're just going through this first loop, just looking at the j's. So when I equals 0, then this is going to just be n minus j, so we'll just do n minus j mod 2 and see if that equals 0. So let's look at that case first. So here we have our first column. We know n equals 8, right? And j starts at 0 and goes to 7. Okay, so and we're starting up here with this box. So we have 8 minus 0, that's 8. 8 mod 2, that means the remainder, when we 8 divided by 2 is 4, the remainder is 0. So it is equal to 0. So 8 mod 2 is equal to 0. So therefore we're going to set our color to yellow. Okay. So basically what happens is, the way this works is, this expression right here is evaluated. If it's true, then we return the value that's after the question mark, and if it's false, then we return the value that comes after the colon. Okay, so that's what's happening here. So we're going through. So then the next time we go through, now n is going to be, n is 8 no matter what. N is 8 the whole way through, right? Because we don't make any changes to n in the loop. But j goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for the next case, we have j equal to 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 mod 2 is 1. So it's 3 with a remainder of 1. Since 1 is the remainder, then this will fail. This will be false, so we're going to use the color black. That's what's here. Okay. Then in the next step, we have j equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 mod 2, well, 6 divided by 2 is 3 with a remainder of 0. So 6 mod 2 is 0. Since this evaluates to true. Since this is true, we get the color yellow. Okay, so we're going to say set color yellow, and that's what this one is, and so on down the column. So that's how it works for that first loop where I is 0, and then we go to I equals 1 and so on. So let's see. So I equals 1. Right? Then it's 1 plus 8 minus 0. So that's 9, right? 9 mod 2. Well, 9 mod 2 is 1, right? Because 9 divided by 2 is 4 with the remainder of 1. So this fails, and this expression returns color dot black, so we set the color to black. Okay, and so that's how it goes on and on and on. So that's how that guy works. Yep, and that's how it's used to pick the color of the square.